Alright, just wanted to show you this Game Boy here. First off, not only does it have the very nice typical new shell IPS screen with the glass, this one is particularly special. It has a switch on the back and a dial as well. So let me just show you what the switch does. Did you hear that? It booted up very, very slow. So it's going really slow. This is, I just gotta have a Zelda game in there. But the dial adjusts the speed. And the switch switches back and forth between the regular crystal and the attenuated crystal. So here's fast mode. And when you get too fast, the screen sometimes glitches out a little bit. And it's really slow. And you could turn it up pretty fast. I think it goes up to 16 times. So you can see it's a really fast mode. And then if you want to do link play, you can switch it back to regular mode. Just hit the switch, and then you're back to regular speed.